Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Ecobee thermostat that is not cooling in 2026. So first of all, you need to check the thermostat mode. Just make sure that the system is set to cool and it should not set to heat, off or auto. Then you can just simply lower down the temperature at least 3 to 5 degrees below the current room temperature, and this particular step is going to ensure that the thermostat is actively calling for cooling. Now you need to also take a look at the Ecobee display, and you should see this type of snowflake icon indicating that the thermostat is requesting cooling. So if this snowflake icon isn't visible, you can review your comfort settings, schedule and temperature set points. Now you need to also check the HVAC filter. Sometimes the dirty or clogged filter can restrict the airflow and it may cause the cooling system to shut down or perform poorly. So if the filter looks dirty, you just have to simply replace it and then you can test the system again. Now, if the thermostat is calling for cooling, but nothing happens, you can just simply inspect the electrical panel as well. You can also go outside and listen to the condenser unit. If the indoor fans runs but the outdoor unit remains silent, there may be a problem with the contractor or capacitor, disconnect switch or power supply. So this is one of the most common reasons why an Ecobee appears to be cooling while the AC never starts. So if everything looks normal, you can also restart the thermostat. For that, you need to go to the main menu, and inside the main menu, you just have to simply look for the option of settings. So when you are inside the settings, you are going to see the reset button. So you need to simply select that and confirm the reset. So after the restart, simply lower the temperature and check whether the cooling system responds this time. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.